Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making chicken kebabs. You will need 2 pounds of chicken breast, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1 red onion, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. In a large bowl, combine the Greek yogurt, minced garlic, and lemon zest. Now add the olive oil and lemon juice. Now add the salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, cinnamon, paprika, and cumin, then whisk until well combined. Generously coat your chicken, then cover with plastic wrap and transfer to the refrigerator and allow it to marinate for at least 2 hours. Now it's time to make your kebab. If you are using wood skewers, make sure to soak them for at least 30 minutes before using. To make your kebab, alternately add your chicken and red onion, then place on a wire rack. You can cook these on an outdoor grill or an indoor grill pan. Bring your pan to 350 degrees and cook your kebabs for 10 to 15 minutes. These kebabs are flavorful and tender, and your family will love them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
To grab